In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude for research writing. We'll start by asking for an outline. Open a new chat, state your research topic clearly, and share your goal audience and any constraints like word count or required sections. Then ask Claude to propose a detailed outline with logical headings and subheadings. If you already have a structure in mind, mention it so Claude can adapt. Don't hesitate to request alternatives or a more detailed version if the first pass feels too broad. Next, ask for key points and summaries for each major section. You can say you want the core arguments, crucial concepts, and the types of evidence to include. If you have readings or notes, paste excerpts and ask for concise, accurate summaries with the main takeaways. This creates a solid content map before any drafting begins and helps prevent gaps or repetition later. With the scaffolding ready, have Claude generate the introduction, body, and conclusion. For the introduction, request a clear context, a precise thesis statement, and a brief roadmap of what follows. For the body, ask for well-structured paragraphs that each develop a single idea supported by reasoning or data and include transitions that guide the reader. For the conclusion, ask for a synthesis that reinforces the thesis and highlights implications without introducing new claims. Specify tone, reading level, and any terminology you want emphasized. Now paste your own text and ask Claude to improve the writing. Be explicit about your goals, improve clarity, tighten sentences, enhance coherence, and preserve your original meaning. And if you want, ask for side-by-side revisions or brief explanations of major edits so you learn from the changes. You can repeat this as you refine each section. When you're ready for citations, ask Claude to add them in the required style, such as APA or MLA. Provide the actual sources or references you intend to use and request accurate in-text citations and a properly formatted reference list. Remind Claude to cite only the materials you supply, and always verify final citations against your institution's style guide. Then ask Claude to proofread. Request a careful pass for grammar, punctuation, consistency in tense and voice, and alignment with your style requirements. Ask it to flag awkward phrasing and suggest smoother transitions, and to call out any redundancy or unclear logic. Finally, combine and finalize. Emerge the polished sections, then ask Claude to smooth transitions, ensure a unified voice, check the structure against the outline, and tighten the title and headings. Once everything reads cleanly and aligns with your goals, you're ready to export and submit with confidence.